cute. Hiding here. Oh, perfect little sandal. Very cute. So many spiny jewel box here. All chemical live. So we're gonna rescue the ones we can. The seaweed situation right now is insane. I wonder if it's also from the cold front. Love it. Nice crown conch sitting right on top here. Lighting pops up. Look at this adorable little orange calico scallop. Super cute. Looking through the rocks. A good crown right here. Oh, it has a hole. And what do we have here? Oh man, if this wasn't broken, but still beautiful. I'll include these in one of my giveaways. Janoni, okay, maybe that's a good sign. Maybe we're gonna find some more. Look at this pretty little parrot just sitting here in the tide pool. Super gorgeous. A little broken on the rim, but really pretty. Coming to talk to me? Hello. Beautiful parallel right in this little section right here. I love parallels. I never get tired of them. The colors are just so nice. And this is a really good one. Okay. Look at all these adorable little baby fish in this little tide pool right here. They're swimming all around. Look at this parrot. Oh my gosh, it's alive. So cool. Beautiful. Some more cute baby fish darting around. And right under here, little orange horse conch and a spiny jewel box. See a little lightning rock hiding up here. And a true tulip. I hope it's whole. Oh, pretty good condition. Is this a true?